Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Chrome web browser on your device. Once Chrome is open, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the window. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. You will be taken to the Settings page where you can adjust various browser preferences. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. Click on the Privacy and Security tab. In the Privacy and Security section, click on the Security option. This will open the Security Settings page where the Safe Browsing section will be displayed. By default, you will see that the Enhanced Protection feature is selected. To stop Chrome from blocking downloads, scroll down and select the No Protection option. A warning message will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click on the Turn Off button to confirm your choice. By doing this, Chrome will no longer block your downloads. However, keep in mind that this may make your browsing experience less secure, so proceed with caution. So that's basically how you can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.